If you think you need to pay for Seedance 2 to create AI videos like this, then you're wrong. The videos displayed on your screen were created using Seedance 2 for free with no limit. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 free tools that give you access to Seedance 2 without paying a dime. The third tool even has an app that no one is talking about yet. If you love videos like this, consider subscribing. Let's get into it. The first tool on our list is Reader AI, and as you can see right here, it shows that I've been visiting this site often. So what you want to do right here is to click on the star icon at the top here. Seedance 2.0, Seedance 2.0 Fast, even Seedance 1.5 Pro. There's also Kling AI right here, different resolutions right here. You can change the duration of your video right here, ranging from 5 seconds to as long as 15 seconds. Then you can also change your aspect ratio. There's a list of aspect ratios right here. So that's how to navigate through this site. The second tool on our list is NoteGPT AI. You want to click on the first one right here. Then when you get to this interface, you want to click on sign in and sign up. Then you want to click on AI video at the bottom right. It's going to take you to this interface where you can pick from a list of models. You can clearly see Seedance 2.0 right here. Also, you can change your aspect ratio right here. Different aspect ratio. There are the 2 common aspect ratio, landscape and portrait. You can generate up to 4K resolution. Then the duration, you can generate up to 10 seconds long videos right here. This is amazing, guys. You can add up to 7 reference images right here. One thing about tools like this is they don't remain free forever. So if I were you, as soon as you stumble upon my video, go ahead and start creating on this site.
That's the moment everything shifted, not because of luck, but because we chose clarity over comfort.
The third and final tool on our list, I told you that it has an app that no one is talking about presently, and that tool is Dollar AI. When you come to Google Chrome, you search Dollar AI and click on Dollar AI Assistant and install the app. When you get here, you have different sign-up options. One, continue with Facebook, continue with Gmail, continue with phone number. Well, for me, I'm going to use continue with Google. You can see that I've used this site before. This tool is like a chat bot. When you get here, what you want to do is click on AI creation at the bottom. And it brings you to this interface where you have the image generation feature, and you also have the video generation feature. Select your model at the bottom here. You can see you have the Dreamina Seedance 1.0 Fast and the Dreamina Seedance 2.0 right here. What you want to do is to select Seedance 2.0. You can also change your aspect ratio and also duration, and this tool also creates up to 10 seconds long videos, which is very good for a free tool. You can also select your reference photo right here, and at the bottom you input your prompt. So this is where it says describe the video you want. You also have the mic. You can also record the description of your video right here. This is totally amazing, and I've used this video creation tool a lot. These are the videos I've created using this particular tool. You see the videos I've created using this tool. At the bottom here, I can navigate to different videos. As you can see, this is one of the videos that I created using this tool. The quality is amazing. For a free tool, it is totally amazing. You can see this is wonderful. These are the videos I've created right here.